old and above po ang pwede manood ng Will You Be My Ex. Kaya invite your friends and family or your ex to watch your movie with you. Bukas pa lang naman, sabay-sabay na tayo. Pumunta kung malapit kayo dito sa SM North Edsa. Dito na tayo ng diretso para mapanood na natin ang Will You Be My Ex starring Julia Barretto, Loyzaga and Bea Binene.
Hi guys, sana manood po tayo ng Will You Be My Ex. Showing na po ito on all cinemas nationwide. Ulitin ko tomorrow, manood po tayong lahat ng Will You Be My Ex. And thank you po.
Thank you very much, JC. Jed bilang, JC bilang Jed. So Will You Be My Ex, abangan natin maya-maya. Thank you very much, JC. Alright, up next to walk on the red carpet, we have a very beautiful and sexy actress. Please welcome Garcia. Please pose for another
her first movie on the
So excited ka
I'm super happy that
Ikaw.
I'm also part of the film.
Oh,
Super proud of
syempre.
this film. Congrats agad kay Direk.
Excited din kami mapanood ka ulit sa big screen. Di ba? Debbie, kaya-share na sa...
Last month.
Oo nga, no? Parang last month lang yun, grabe.
Tayo magkasama sa stage. Yes.
Siyempre, Debbie, share mo naman sa amin. Sino ka ba dito sa
Yes, I
movie?
played the role of Bridge. So, pag sinabi ko medyo, spoiler.
Spoiler na.
Wag na, manalo po. Maraming salamat. I hope ma-enjoy niyo po yung film and spread the word.
Next, we have Dani Aguirre and Jesus or Jesus Montoya. Let's give them a big hand, everybody. Hashtag Will You Be My Ex Premiere Night. Hold up to the both of you. Please pose before you come up here. Okay, so would like to greet everybody, Dane and Jesus.
Hi everyone.
Hello everyone, good night, good evening.
Are you excited, the both of you?
Yes, I can't wait to see you movie.
Okay, is this your first film? Or
Yeah, for me it's my first one.
Sick, your first one? Congratulations to the both of you. How excited are you to watch yourselves on the big screen?
Well, very excited to be honest. I'm actually not Filipino, I'm Mexican, so it's actually the first project in another country. Such a beautiful place and also people, so yeah, I'm very excited.
So are you here in the Philippines for good?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and I'm very excited to see all the other part of the cast, and they're all so talented to be honest.
How about you, Dave?
Yeah, I'm also excited to see myself in the movie for the first time because it's my first appearance, so it's the excitement is good for that role.
Okay, can you share us your role, both of your roles in the movie? Or maybe your character name?
I'm Julia's classmate.
Classmate. Julia's classmate. How about you?
Diego and Bea's boss.
Boss. Diego and Bea's boss. Okay, abangan natin silang dalawa in the movie. To walk on the red carpet, please welcome Diño-Seguerra and Chairman Liza. Diño! Let's give it up again, everybody. Please pose for another photo op before going up and joining me on stage.
Hello everyone! Good evening sa inyong lahat. The Real and the cast and crew of Will You Be My Ex. Congratulations!
Hello everyone. Hi.
Happy Pride!
Yes, happy Pride! And would you like to invite them tomorrow? Dahil bukas na to eh. Alam ko, excited na rin kayo mapanood yung movie. But, syempre, pa-excited din natin sila manood bukas. Can you invite them, please?
Again, I'd like to invite everyone to please watch Will You Be My Ex. Of course, starring Julia Barretto and Loyzaga and Bea Binene. Real Florido. Sure, it's from Real. It must be great.
Yes, it's nice I knew them from way back kasi yung isa sa mga soap ko, yung Mirabella, kasama ko sila dito. And I think first, introducing kay Julia naman. Ang tagal na, 2013 or 2014. So it's nice, after 10 years talagang sobrang ganda na ng career ni Julia. So let's support her and Diego. This is directed by Real Florido, under Viva and Firestarters.
Another part of the cast, please welcome the very talented and beautiful Miss Phoemela Baranda! Hi! How are you? Awesome!
Good evening, everyone. Hi.
So can you share with us your role? That excited kami malaman.
Okay, so I play Sandra, the mom of Joey. So of course, Joey here and played by Loyzaga. Of course, our role here will be a key to why Miss Joey has that character in the movie. So I will begin the story here, no? So talaga, I'm very happy to be part of this movie, and I'm actually excited because this is like for a while I haven't had any or done any movie. So actually I did a lot of online movies, but this one is really going to be shown on cinemas tomorrow na. So I'm very excited also for this premiere night. I haven't watched a movie for a while, so this is going to be my first after pandemic. And of course, I'm part of this movie. And thank you again for making me part of this, Viva. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And I want everyone to also enjoy this movie. Doing the film, shooting for the film, it was actually very fun. I did actually the biggest scenes, which is the one in nakakita ng kwenta. So yeah, it's like the big scenes. We are part of the big scenes, so it's so much fun to shoot.
Okay, we are very excited to watch you again on the big screen. Thank you very much. And congratulations!
Yes, thank you. And again to the production, to everyone, to Direk, to the cast, and of course Julia and Diego, congratulations in advance. And again, Viva Artists, thank you so much. And of course to everyone here, please enjoy. And for those who's going to watch, please enjoy the movie. Sit back and relax.
Oh, sit back and relax and enjoy. Thank you very much. That was Miss Phoemela Baranda.
Thank you. See you inside.
Divine Aucina! Diba? Moulin Rouge. Hot? Ano ba yun? Alright, Divine everybody!
Hello, SM North Edsa!
SM North Edsa!
Hello, everybody! Parang walang air.
Isa ba?
Oo, kasi mamalikas ko lang dito sa palo ko. Hello, SM North Edsa! Kailangan pala minamanifest.
Oo, kailangan may power nito.
Yes, kasi-
Ano ba tawag dyan?
Sabong realness.
Sabong realness. Yan po ang outfit ngayon, Divine. Sabong realness.
Yes.
Dagdag sa hashtag.
Yes, channeling, brigading, drag queen. Yes, ganun lang tayo ngayon. Channeling drag queen tayo ngayon. Sabong drag queen.
Sabong drag queen. So may pagka-drag queen din ba yung character mo dito sa Will You Be My Ex?
Oo naman. Alam mo, she's fun, she's loud, she's playful, and most of all, she's loving.
Loving. Ganon din ba si Divine?
Oo, ganun ako, hindi na nalalayo.
Hindi na
Diba?
nalala.
Ito na yun.
Yan mismo yun. Ito yung makikita natin sa movie maker.
Oo, mas stained na.
Anong character name?
My character's name is John G. I will be playing the best friend of Julia. Yes, kaya may palang tayo today. Kasi baka hindi nyo ma-differentiate kung sino si Julia at sino si Divine.
Oo, kaya may paalong ka today.
May palang.
Okay. Grabe. Excited kami lahat na makita si John G.
Ako din!
Okay. Dahil
Yan, yan.
Yes.
Yan ba yun?
Oo.
O, ilalapit ko ha. Hello.
Go Divine.
Nakita mo na. Eto ngayon, eto na nga mga mare. Iniimbitahan ko kayo ngayon para manood ng Will You Be My Ex, directed by Real Florido. At talaga. Umupo pa. Eto na. Napakagandang pelikula. Tamang-tama para sa lahat na nagmahal. Mayroon yung lahat na nagkaroon ng ex at lahat ng merong pagmamahal na, alam mo yun, yung akala mo yun na, pero yun na nga ba talaga? So, sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, please watch Will You Be My Ex, starring Loyzaga and Julia Barretto. Thank you, everybody. Work the world.
On the red carpet, please welcome Miss Marjorie and Leon Barretto. Please pose for another photo.
Evening.
Ang ganda ng boses, di ba? Parang radio announcer. Wow, ang ganda ng boses. Ngayon po, very short lang, ano pong message nyo kay Julia and sa buong team ng Will You Be My Ex?
Of course, I wish them all the luck and the blessings for this movie. Julia had a very nice time working with the whole team, production, the staff, the crew, the creatives, even her co-workers here, her co-stars, I should say. Iniyayabang niya yun. That she liked doing this movie a lot. The environment and the energy was really good. And I'm sure makikita rin natin yung energy niyon and the vibe in this movie.
Wow, we're very excited dahil pinagmamakita na talaga ni Julia itong movie na to. Okay. And how about Leon? Please invite them na rin.
Of course, I'm very, very proud of my sister. She's worked super hard on this project, and like my mom pointed out a while ago. She just felt a lot of positivity within the set. So the story is amazing. The chemistry between her and Diego was also very evident. So I can't wait for everyone to finally see it. Showing tomorrow.
It's exciting because it's like a new team up.
Yes.
It's a new partnership. So that's a good thing about, Julia gets to work with different people. And so that's really good for her and that's what she wants and I'm so happy for her.
And she is an amazing actress. She deserves everything.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yes. The producer of Will You Be My Ex, Mr. RJ Agustin. Hi, nice to see you again. Hello.
Hey! Good evening.
Good evening. Alam mo,
Nice to see you.
alam ko excited na po din kayo mapanood ko at mapanood
Very
ng
much.
action.
Very much, very
Yung
much.
action ng ating audience. Kaya invite na po natin sila.
Yes, of course, I would like to invite everyone to please support our movie, Will You Be My Ex. Siyempre, nandyan po si Miss Julia Barretto and Loyzaga. Kasama natin si Divine, si Juan Carlos Galano, si Miss Phoemela Baranda, Rose, Marjorie and Bea Binene is here as well. Directed by Real Florido. Of course, ano po yan? Handog sa atin ng Viva Films.
At ng Firestarters.
At ng Firestarters Productions.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
giving us this beautiful movie.
Thank you very much.
Alright, before we call in our lead star, please welcome the captain of the ship, ang direktor ng Will You Be My Ex. Let's give him a big, big round of applause, Direk Real Florido. A big hand, everybody. Hello, Direk. Batiin niyo na po ang lahat.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. At punta kayo ngayon dito para supportahan yung pelikula namin, Will You Be My Ex. So, I know we've been waiting a really quite some time tonight. So, para mapanood na rin natin itong pelikula na pinaghandaan namin, let me introduce to you guys one of the lead cast of the movie, Miss Julia Barretto. She's right there. Hi,
I do.
There, please welcome Miss Julia Barretto! Julia, Sir RJ and Julia will be escorting you going up. Okay, let's give a microphone to Julia. Batiin mo silang lahat kayo na nag-aabang sa loob.
Hi guys, good evening. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. We're so excited for you guys to watch the film. Tara na, pasok na tayo.
Excited na si Julia. Okay, so thank you everybody for joining us. See you in cinemas. At sa mga may tickets, see you inside the cinema. Thank you very much.
See you inside. Chika tayo sa loob.
Pupunta talaga kayo sa sinihan para mapanood nyo si Loyzaga at si Julia Barretto sa malaking screen at mapasukin ninyo yung buhay nila at yung love story nila sa pelikulang ito. So maraming salamat at salamat din sa team namin. They're here, our post-production, our production staff na talagang nagbigay ng puso at kaluluwa, talagang ginawang masaya ang paggawa ng pelikulang ito. Of course, Viva Films for gambling to make a movie for the cinema. Hindi ko po pagsasawaang sabihin na importante na nanonood pa rin tayo ng pelikula sa sinehan. Kaya maraming salamat Viva Films kay Boss Vic, of course. And of course, si Val, ang aming #1 champion. Hi! Val! Hey! Si Miss Veronique is there. Thank you, Miss V, for always supporting us. And si Boss Vincent, maraming salamat. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga actors ko na talagang amazing. Of course, Divine is there. Si Bea Binene, sila Fem, sila Carlos, sila Debbie, everybody, all the cast. And Diego, who's in Australia right now, too bad he cannot join us today. And of course, for being so generous, sinabi ko to kay Juju na I'm so touched that I have actors in the film who are very generous in front and behind the camera. So thank you so much, Juju. Thank you.
Hi guys, good evening. Unfortunately, it's just me tonight, but both Bea and Diego really wish to be here tonight. So from the three of us, thank you so much for spending your evening with us. Sobrang saya talaga namin to ginawa, and I hope that really translates into what you're about to see. Thank you to, of course, Direk named them all, but again, thank you so much to everybody who worked behind this film because it flew by so fast. It was a very fun and memorable one. If you guys like it, please spread the word, tell your friends to go see it. Yeah, most importantly, enjoy, and we'll see you guys again later after the movie. Thank you.